Lot of people are using or they prefer Jupyter Notebook these days. We also have set up everything in Jupyter Notebook only. And when we basically provide the trainings and these things, we find it more comfortable to do it in the Jupyter Notebook, because Jupyter Notebook is a web-based Python environment where from your Chrome it runs on your local host, or if you want to host it on a cloud or anywhere, you can run it from there also. And it is basically a kind of a notebook where you can write your code and these things. So mostly data science people and all these people, they prefer for Jupyter Notebook. How does it looks like? Let me show you. So this is a Jupyter Notebook environment where once you install, you see that it runs on your local host. And once you have installed it from Anaconda, Navigator, so you will just find it this, you double click here and it will run it for you. Now this Jupyter Notebook is nothing, it is basically a cell based concept. Like you see, this is one cell, this is second cell, and similarly we have cells. Here you can write your this documents and these things also. Okay, you can write your text based content as well as you can write your code also. Like this is how you can write your code. By instead of putting comments and all, you can just put these markup languages and you can write your text base, and here you can write the codes. Whatever codes you will be writing, that cell will be treated as an input and you will get the output accordingly. Now, the best part is that whatever the Python code you save with PyCharm or with Visual Studio or with any other, the extension of that code is .py. Whereas like you have for Java or class files are there. For JavaScript, we have .js. For shell script, we have .sh. Similarly, for Python, we have .py. But for these notebooks, we have the extension as .ipynb. Okay, .ipynb. But you can download these notebook from here as a Python, download as .py, download as PDF, whatever way you want to download it, you can download these things. Okay. And you can insert the cells using these shortcut keys and you can run the code from here. Okay. This is about the IDEs and these things.